So this tutorial is for basically these specific brakes pads with these pins, because there are different types of brakes pads and brake setup on the Hilux. And this is for the smaller 4x4 rotors, because they are big 4x4 rotors and then there are smaller ones. And these are for the smaller type brake pads. Alright, so I slacken these nuts to a point because I don't want to take them out totally, because there will be nothing to hold this up except for this bolt, and these lines are connected to it. So I would take this bolt out and I would use this wheel and I'll rest the whole brake system onto that wheel to prevent these lines from breaking. This nut is a 12, is a size 12, and we'll be using this nut. This same nut, I realized, can also be screwed into these rotors, into these small holes. So I'll be using that same nut to tighten, to get these rotors out. So I just mounted this back up. I screwed it in just a bit. Tightening those straight in would be the last thing that I would do before putting the wheel on, just so I could have some play here to assist me with the putting in of the new brake pads. Now with this specific model Hilux, these brake pads come with these pins. You need to make sure and check these before purchasing, because you may get a different type of Hilux disc brakes. Always make sure to have your brakes fluid cap open before starting the process, and have something here to catch the brakes fluid, because it can damage the paint. So when you pry open the pistons, the brakes fluid that is in the lines would be pushed up, and it would need somewhere to go, so you would need to take the cap off.